As you may know, there's a craze of vintage photos in photographers. I myself am one of them. I just love the images that gives me the whole Zamana Purana vibes. So in this video we're gonna edit this image to 2 stages of vintage look. One is this color mode, and another will be a completely faded old black and white image look. So without any further ado, roll the intro. First, make all the minor adjustments like shadows and exposure, and then go to the Vintage tab, and select a style according to your image. Style 11 suits most of the images. Just make sure to take the vignette to 0 or it will look sucky. Now we will add this texture PNG onto the photo for a finishing touch. Using double exposure, make sure to set the blend mode to add, and play with the opacity. This is the first color look. I'll undo the texture and proceed on the next look. For the black and white one, start with the Vintage 11. Then go to the Details tab, and decrease the structure, as old photos were not very sharp. Then go to the Noirs tab. In the Noirs tab, choose a look according to your choice. 1 and 3 are my favorite. Change the settings as per your image. Decrease the grain if you want more details. And play with the wash and brightness for contrast. I'll increase the warmth using white balance, as I want the image a bit warm. Then we'll add the same texture PNG on the image, for an old look. Make sure to set the blend mode to add, and play with the opacity for a more natural look. Here's a comparison of the 3. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Here's a video that YouTube thinks you'll like. And I will catch you in the next one.